let's see how to make this lovely ginger and lemongrass tea. Now in my teapot, I'm going to add 4 cups of water. That is 1 cup of water per person. And I'm going to take 1 inch of ginger and coarsely grind it in my mortar and pestle. So it's 1 cup of water per person. Now I've put the heat on a low to medium, and I'm going to add this coarsely ground ginger. Now this is the lemongrass. You get it in a bundle. I've just cut it up. It's easier to use that way. And I use about 2 handfuls or 2 tablespoons. Now this lemongrass is easily available and it's pretty reasonable. Like you get a small bundle for just 10 rupees in the market. So just chop it up and keep it in a particular vessel or a container. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon each for each person, 1 teaspoon of tea powder. So we are making 4 cups of tea for 4 of us. That way you'll add 4 teaspoons or of tea powder. Now at our place we use the society blue color tea, which is we're used to it and we love it a lot. Now let it come to a nice boil on a medium to high flame. Let it boil for a whole 2 minutes. Now at my place we have 2 designated pots with the cover for the tea, so we use only that when making the tea. We don't use anything else. So kind of keep 2 designated vessels or pots for your tea. That makes it very easy to use. Now after 2 minutes, just switch it off the heat and cover and keep it aside for 1 minute. I just thought I'd pop in and let you know about my Amazon storefront. Go and check it out. The link is down in the description box below. It's products that I generally buy on Amazon or I would recommend with regard to best prices and good quality. So go and check out the link. Now after 1 minute, I'm going to strain the tea. So this is the other pot that we use. And I'm going to strain the tea and again, we have a special strainer that we use only for tea. So this way it makes work very easy in the morning. You don't have to, search for the strainer, or if you have only one strainer, then, wash it from the sink and use it. So keep these things aside. I mean, these are just little tips that makes work easier. And cover and keep this aside for 1 minute, or for 2 minutes rather. After 2 minutes, you're going to strain the tea into the cups. I use a strainer a second time because, just in case there's a little bit of powder left over or whatever, just to be on the safe side rather. So then strain the tea, and of course you can adjust whether you want the tea more with the tea and less of milk or more of milk, and then just pour the milk. And of course the strainer is there so that you get a clear stream of milk also without any cream, as we like to have it that way at my place. And of course, I don't have sugar in my tea, but otherwise you can add sugar as per your taste. Give it a good stir and you're all set. So this is your lovely ginger and lemongrass tea. Do try it out. It's really, really delicious. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.